Assalamualaikum friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I hope you are happy and well. So in today's video viewers, I will show you wall hanging decoration ideas. So I hope you are enjoying my videos. So friends, let's start today video. So friends, my wash area is viewers. Children wall hanging, take a wooden stick and attach a piece of children to it. Keep the rope at different length to create a beautiful pattern. You can add wooden beads, small flowers, simple knot for extra details. Make wall hanging, use cotton rope to create simple knotted pattern. You don't need a complicated design. Even base knot can create a lovely handmade decoration. Hang it above your bed, sofa or study table. Yarn wall hanging, choose 2 or 3 colors and cut the yarn into equal pieces. Tie them around a wooden stick and trim the bottom into a simple shape. You can create a soft, colorful and cozy decoration in just a few minutes. And there's paper flower wall hanging. Viewers, make flowers from color paper and arrange them on a cardboard or wooden base. Arrange green paper leaves between the flower. You can make the flower large or small depending on the size of your wall. And viewers, friends, I hope you're enjoying my videos. So please subscribe to my YouTube channel, press the bell icon for more latest updates, viewers. So friends, Allah Hafiz, see you in the next video. Take care.